Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the brother Finger. Here's a simple card trick with kings. You cannot hide the king. King always stays on top. Take 4 kings from the pack and put it on top of the pile. Now I'm going to put all 4 kings in the middle. One king goes down. Second king goes down. Third king goes down. Fourth king goes down. Now I'm gonna take all back. And now abracadabra. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to show you how I did it. I took 4 kings. Behind the last king, I put 4 cards. Any 4 cards. Arrange it in a way that no one sees it. Now if I have 8 cards, everybody can just see 4 kings. Now take it and put the 8 cards on the bottom. Then take it in your hand and put the first normal card under. It's not the king. It's also not the king. I'm putting it on the other place. It's also not the king. Don't put it on the last page or they can see it's not a king. It's also not a king. Now we have the kings on top. We take it and say magic. Have fun with magic.
If you like the video,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.